AutoCAD makes it easy to constrain or limit the choices that can be used for given parameters. We can use this by creating the value set for parameter. For example, the three standard length for bed are 75 by 80 and 84 inches. I will show you how to constrain the length of the parameter of the bed, a block that we used on the last illustration. So here is the bed we have. We can define and set some fixed values. So we know there is standard sizes, always those values would be the case. So rather than being flexible the way we have right now, make him some set values. So that would be the next illustration that I will show you on this video. We double click on it and get into editing mode, block editor. And at this point, we're going to select the length parameter and go to properties, modify properties. And you notice on properties dialog box, show you this one here. If you go scroll down farther, you will see the value set. That's what we want to do. We want to do the value sets here. So for that section, and we need to pick up the list here. So we will have distance type list. So the little tab says value set, underneath says distance type, and you click on that. By default is none. You select list. When you do the list, and you notice that one shows right now we have 75, which is the actual size of it, and then we can assign different set. This value you can use for different bed sizes. So when you pick that, and then you can type here by clicking a little tab next to it, type a different size, like for example 60 or 80. We don't have, so let's just type 80 and then add. And we can also type 84 and add. So once you have all those, we can select OK to end this. Now we have added some more values to the list. If you click here, you're going to see those values here. All right, so let's save this file, see what happened in this case. So what we did so far, we changed the length of this only. And save the changes. Move this out of the way. And now notice this goes 84, goes 80, and goes 75. So there is it's constrained to those three values on the length only. Okay. So that's how we fix this. If we know in advance, mostly in door and window size, it's the same thing true. So there are some standard sizes. So we don't want to make this one flexible, so it will be more work to do. Then this way you just click on that little, like it snaps to those values automatically. So you can do the same thing for the width. So I'm going to, once you finish this practice, you can apply the same method to see if you can add this one yourself.